Finding a mechanic you can trust is often difficult. So many people feel wronged or that they were treated poorly by someone who has previously serviced or repaired their vehicle. You can trust us at Maple Valley's Wilderness Auto Service in Chevron. We have about 100 written reviews on Google and on our Facebook page. Nearly all of them are 5 stars. We do our best to have every customer leave happy and satisfied. And if there's any kind of a problem, we fix it. Thanks for watching our video. Now come and see us.
The fuel pump in your vehicle is its unsung hero because it takes fuel from the gas tank to the engine, making your automobile start and run. It's important to know a few of the common symptoms of a fuel pump failure. If your engine starts to sputter once you've hit the top speed on the highway, your engine is being starved of necessary fuel, which could be caused by a clogged or failing fuel pump. Another symptom of a problem, the engine might not sputter, but show signs of losing power. For example, imagine you're driving up a steep hill and all of a sudden your vehicle starts to slow and loses power. That tells you the fuel pump is not transferring enough fuel to the engine and cannot handle the hill's stress. A fuel pump can actually send too much fuel to your engine. The engine surges when this happens and can make driving dangerous. Overheating caused by the fuel pump can also stall out the engine. Pull over at the first sign of overheating. The most obvious symptom there is a problem is when your car won't even start. Assuming the battery and starting motor are fine, the problem could be from the fuel pump getting clogged, making it not transfer gas to the engine. If necessary, replace the fuel filter to confirm this is why the automobile is not starting. Most fuel pumps are located inside the gas tank, making replacing them an expensive proposition.
Come see us. You'll be glad you did. Wilderness Auto Service, Chevron, and U-Haul is right along your way. And be sure to stop in for a great selection of craft beers at our mini store.